Hi guys, Mama Mita. And you know what guys? I've been waiting a whole week for the snow outside to melt so that I could go back to doing some videos. And guess what? It just took forever. It seemed like it was piled up high. The wind came and it was blowing and the snow came in too. And it was like, oh my gosh, this is not good. And we've never had a frozen pipe before, but it seemed like everywhere around here got frozen this year. We didn't lose our power, which was amazing. I don't know how that didn't happen. But we didn't lose the power, but we did get frozen pipes. So we had to wait for those to thaw out. Finally, they thawed out. So now I'm ready to get back into this thing. And you know what? I'm ready. Jeez. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you, we had this really nice soup for New Year's Day. Oh, it was really just a delicious soup that I made up. And pretty much it was kind of like a New Year's Day soup, and it was really good. The only problem is I forgot to take pictures and couldn't do the video because it didn't have any water in the RV, and it just was a mess. But I decided, you know what, this soup is so good, I just can't pass it up for you guys. I need to let you guys know about this soup because you don't have to do this soup on New Year's Day. You could do it on another day, you know. Anyway, let me tell you about this soup. So what I did, you know how Santa comes around and he gives you all these little gifts and stuff from people and stuff, you know? And one of the gifts that we got was this hard sausage, just hard uncured sausage. Yeah, and so many people don't even know what to do with these things. They go, oh, cheese and crackers and sausage, you know. Sometimes they don't really want that, you know, and then they wind up giving it away to somebody else, probably for a white elephant. Anything goes at the white elephant on Christmas Day in our house. But what I did is I used one of these and I cut it up. I just sliced it and made it like a little small dices, and I put some garlic and some onions, some white onions, and chopped up, and some green onions from the garden chopped up, and so I put it all together in this little pan with some bacon, chopped up bacon too. Not a lot of bacon, just a little bit of bacon, probably half the package because it was a huge pot of soup. And so what I did is I pretty much did like this here, and I just simmered it together. Okay. All right. And while that simmered, okay, you don't want the garlic to get too brown, because if the garlic gets too brown or it gets burnt, then it gives off a bitter taste. So don't let that happen, okay? So hold on just a second. Okay, so I'm back now. Had to make sure my microphone was on. Oh my gosh, I just have so much trouble with the microphone. You know, when you're old, you don't grasp things like you used to when you was like 19 and 20 years old. Anyway, okay, so now the soup over here at the pot. Okay, so I have the sausage, the bacon, and all that. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to add the water with the black-eyed peas. Okay, that's all I do. Just add the water with the black-eyed peas and that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a chicken bouillon cube. Okay, just one. Okay, I'm not adding any salt because, you know, with the bouillon cube and the sausage, and by the way, that sausage was a boar's head, Italian style, uncured dry sausage. Ooh, sure was good. Hopefully it'll be good this time too. So then you put that in there. Okay, now, and this here, what I've got is I have chopped up carrots, chopped up cabbage, some green onions and parsley, and then collard greens. I know, my family in Georgia loves collard greens. I think all of the South likes collard greens. We're safe to say that one, right? Okay, so, all right, so now you put that you're going to take all of that. Let me make sure this camera's down here, right? Okay, so now you're going to take that and you're going to add that to the pot. Okay. And now, I did say bay leaves. Hopefully I said bay leaves because you add 1 bay leaf in that. Well, in this part, you probably would only add like a half a bay leaf. I think I put a half a bay leaf in there. Okay, so now you're going to let that cook. Let me give you another little flash peep at that, at how that's going. Hopefully this is, see that? There you go. So now, we'll let that stay on the lowest, and then we're going to take and put a lid on that, and I'm going to come back in about 45 minutes and check it to see how it's doing. I just want that cabbage to cook down and put all that flavor into that soup. And that's basically it. That's all you have to do. In 45 minutes, I'll come back and see how it looks, okay? So I'll see you here in a little bit.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back. So the soup has finished, and it looks beautiful. Look at that. Nice. It looks really, smells good too. So it's got garlic and onions and green onions and the sausage, the Italian uncured sausage, and it's got bacon and then black-eyed peas and collard greens and the carrots. Don't forget the carrots too. And then bay leaf, a bay leaf, yes. And so I'm thinking it's really good. But I'm thinking I might like to try a little shaved Parmesan on top. I'm such a sucker to this stuff. I mean, I need to stop buying it. Maybe even a little bit of crackers, oyster crackers. But it's really good. Taste is just really, really delicious. You guys, it's very easy. It's quick to make. And, you know, most of the stuff you pretty much have in your cabinet already if you're a Southern girl, you know. But a lot of Northwest people like collard greens. I mean, it gets big up here, collard greens are. And, of course, the carrots and stuff. And then the black-eyed peas, you know. There's a lot of black-eyed peas sold in stores and stuff. So I'm kind of surprised because, wow, the Northwest people really like that stuff, I guess, huh? Anyway, guys, if you guys like my video today on how quick and easy this soup was, and it's so good, it really is, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, too. Thank you, guys. May you have a wonderful, successful new year. I hope, we all hope, this year, 2022, will be a great year for us. Everything will be behind us. Thank you, guys. We'll see you later. Bye now. Yeah, definitely need that. Definitely put some of this. Good. Very good. Happy dance. Happy dance to my New Year's Day soup. Bye now.